Hello dear children. In this video, I am going to share the MCQs of the chapter number 3, Deep Water. So let's begin. Who is the author of Deep Water? Option A, William Shakespeare, B, William George Bernard Shaw, C, William Wordsworth, and D, William Douglas. Can you guess the right answer? Yes, option D is the correct answer. William Douglas is the author of Deep Water. Next question. In which subject has the author graduated? Option A, English and History. Option B, English and Science. Option C, Science and Social Studies. And option D, English and Economics. Please guess the answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer. English and Economics. Next question. For how many years had the author taught in high school in Yakima? Option A, 2 years, B, 4 years, C, 3 years, and D, 5 years. Please guess the answer. Yes, option A, 2 years. Next, after the author was fed up with teaching, he decided to opt for which career? A, medical, B, gardening, C, engineering, and D, a legal career. Please guess the answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer, a legal career. Next question. What is the story Deep Water is speaking about? Option A, fear of water and the way to overcome it. B, fear of people. D, fear of dogs. And C, fear of swimming. Guess the answer? Yes, option A, fear of water and the way overcome it. Next, how did author's fear vanish? Option A, with courage and guidance and determination. B, with care. C, with mother's words. And D, with guidance. Guess the answer? Yes, option A is the correct answer, with courage, guidance, and determination. Next, YMCA stands for? Option A, Young Men's Christian Authority. B, Young Men's Christopher Association. C, Young Men's Christians Army. D, Young Men's Christian Association. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D, Young Men's Christian Association. Next, where is Yakima located? Option A, in New Zealand, B, in California, C, in Washington, and D, none of these. Yes, option C is the correct answer. It is located in Washington. Next question. Where did the writer go when he was 3 or 4 years old in the story? Option A, Washington, B, New Zealand, C, California, and D, Canada. Please guess the answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer, California. Next question. Why did he develop a fear of water? Option A, because of knocking down by waves at a beach. B, because of young boy. C, because of instructor. And D, because of his mother. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer, because of knocking down by waves at a beach. Next question. What is haunting the author? A, terrible experience in the pool. B, ghosts. C, his mother's words. And D, a push by a young boy. Guess the answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Terrible experience in the pool. Next question. How did the author learn swimming? Option A, with the help of a rope. B, with the help of a friend. C, with the help of his mother. And D, with the help of swimming instructor. Guess the answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer, with the help of a swimming instructor. Next question. What did William O. Douglas desire for? A, visit to California. B, to be a judge. C, to learn swimming. And D, to be with his mother. Guess the answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. To learn swimming. To learn swimming. Option C. Next, what did the author realize while drowning in the pool? A. Terror in fear of death. B. Swimming was fun. C. The lifeguard did not come to his rescue. And D. All of these. Guess the answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Terror in fear of death. Next, what is the theme of the story? Deep water. A. Victory in facing the fear. B. Being fearful. C. To learn swimming. And D. All. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Victory in facing the fear. Next question. Deep Water is an excerpt from which book? You have the options. A. Fear of Water. B. Of Men and Mountains. C. How to Swim. And D. Fearless. Yes. Guess the answer. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Of Men and Mountains. Next, what does deep water signify? A. Beauty. B. Depth of sea. C. Depth of ocean. And D. Fear. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Fear. Next question. Who threw Douglas into the swimming pool? A. A young boy. B. Instructor. C. Mother. And D. Watchman. Yes, option A is the correct answer. A young boy. Next, what was the fear in Douglas' mind? A. To be defeated. B. To be pushed. B. Being drowned. And C. None. Yes, answer C. Being drowned. Option C is the correct answer. Next, at the age of 3 or 4, Douglas visited. He visited the beach with his father. What caused terror in his heart then? Option A. The sight of the sea waves. B. The overpowering force of the waves. C. The color of the water. And D. All of these. Yes, option D is correct answer. All of these. All of these. Next question. What were the series of emotions and fears that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the water, into the pool? A. Fear. B. Confidence. C. Overconfidence. And D. Mixed feelings of confidence and fear. Yes, guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Mixed feelings of confidence and fear. Next, what plans did he make to come to the surface of the pool? A. Tried to jump and push himself up. B. Shouted. C. Cried aloud. And D. Shouted help. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Tried to jump and push himself up. Next, how did this experience affect the author? A. Became fearless. B. Confident. C. Overconfident. And D. Became hydrophobic. Guess the answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer. He became hydrophobic after that. Hydrophobic means fear of water after this incident. Next, what lesson did Douglas learn from his experience of drowning, learning to swim? A. Learned swimming. B. Love for swimming. C. Swimming is not difficult. And D. Face the fear. So guess the answer, please. Yes, option D. Face the fear. He learned that we should face the fear in our life. Next, how did the instructor make Douglas a good swimmer? A. Planning. B. With the help of ropes. C. By pushing him into the pool. D. With the help of ropes and belts. Yes, guess the answer. Yes, option D. With the help of ropes and belts. Next, what plan did Douglas make to learn swimming? A. Planned to get an instructor. B. Planned to swim more. C. Planned to watch swimmers. And D. Planned to jump. Yes, option A is the correct answer. He planned to get an instructor. Next, what does Douglas do to save himself in the pool? A. Used his mind and pushed himself up. B. Shouted aloud, C. Called people, and D. Shouted help, help. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer. He used his mind and pushed himself up. Next, why did Douglas fail to come to the surface of the pool as he hoped to? A. Because of fear of swimming, B. Because of fear, C. Because of inability to move, and option D. Because of fear and inability to move. Yes, guess the answer, please. Option D, yes. Option D is the correct answer because of fear and inability to move. Next question, what was the impact of the pool incident? A. Developed fear, B. Became confident, C. Became overconfident, and D. Hydrophobia was revived. 29. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Hydrophobia was revived. Next, how many times did Douglas try to come to the surface of the pool? A. Twice, B. Once, C. 5 times, and D. Thrice. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Thrice he tried. Next, why did Douglas hate to walk with bare legs? A. Ugly looking legs, B. Fat legs, C. Because of skin color, and D. Because of skinny legs. Yes, option D, because of skinny legs. Next, why did Douglas' mother recommend that he should learn swimming at the YMCA swimming pool? A. Because it was local, B. Because it was safe, C. Because it was shallow, and D. Because it was shallow and safe. Yes, option D is the correct answer because it was shallow and safe. Next, why did Douglas hire an instructor? A. To be confident in swimming. B. To compete with others. C. To flaunt. And D. To overcome his fear of water and learn. Yes, option D is the correct answer. To overcome his fear of water and learn swimming. Next, I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. What does oblivion mean? A. Pavilion, B. Changing room, C. Unconsciousness, and D. Death. Yes, please guess the answer. Question number 34. Yes, C. Unconscious. Unconsciousness is the correct answer of this question. Next question. Why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water? A. Because he wanted to swim in the waters of the cascade. B. Because his friend had challenged him. C. Because he had a bet on it. And D. Because he wanted to win a medal. Please guess the correct answer. Question number 35. Yes, A is the correct option because he wanted to swim in the waters of the cascade. Now, next question. What was stopping Douglas to get into the waters of cascade? A. Memories of Washington. B. Memories of California. C. Instructions given by the instructor. D. Memories full of terror in the pool. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Memories full of terror in the pool. Next question. How did Douglas make sure that he had conquered the old terror? Option A. By visiting California, by jumping into the waters, C. By taking a lesson from the instructor, and D. By swimming into the lake Wentworth. Guess the answer, please. Yes. Yes, option D is the correct answer. It is by swimming into the lake Wentworth. Next, what distance Douglas covered while swimming across the lake Wentworth? A. 4 miles, B. 3 miles, C. 5 miles, and D. 2 miles. Guess the answer, please. Yes. Option D is the correct answer. 2 miles. Next question. Where was the lake Wentworth? Option A. In New Hampshire, B. in Washington, C. in California, and D. in Washington, D.C. Yes, option A is the correct answer. It was in New Hampshire. Next, at first, why was the writer not much frightened when he was thrown into the pool? Option A, because he was sleeping. Option B, because he was Intoxicated. C, because he thought that the lifeguard would come to his rescue. And D, because of confidence. Guess the answer, please. Question number 40. Yes, D option is the correct answer, because of confidence. So dear students, that's all for the MCQs of deep water. Please watch the video and learn and enjoy. Thank you.